Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we have a new generation of company TRIMUI Smart Handheld Android Gaming. TRIMUI Smart Pro will be equipped with Central Processing Unit All-Winner A133 Plus, which integrates a quad-core 64-bit Cortex-M A53 with a main frequency of up to 1.8 GHz. While the main frequency of A133 is up to 1.6 GHz. The GPU uses the Imagination Power VRGE 8300 GPU. And Unisox's Tiger T310 also uses this graphics processor, but the frequency data is slightly different. So according to data speculation, the upper limit of running nostalgic games is PSP and DC. The screen size is 4.96 inches, the resolution is 1280 x 720, the screen at a rate of 60 frames per second. Ratio is 16.9 and the pixel density is 294 ppi. The battery capacity is 4000 milliamperes, the official,